watching the new Adopt Me update. So if you haven't, I'm going to show you a few things that I saw, because I don't think I saw everything, but I'm going to show you some things that I saw. So there's a bunch of new rubber duckies, and I didn't get any of the good ones, but I got this one, which is so adorable. Then we have this, and basically we gotta find 3 chicks. So it's in the rain, and I don't think it happens a lot, but like it happens like once in a while, I think. So yeah. Then there's this new shadow dragon duck, which I think it's 99 Robux. Yep. And there's a bunch over here. So you buy these rubber ducky boxes, and then there's chances to get other ones. So there's the normal one, there's this one, a unicorn one, and a strawberry shortcake one. And it's leaving in 2 days, so yeah. And there's thunder as well. I think it's so cool. But yeah. There's also this duck with a hat on him, and he's very dramatic, but he's so cute. Also, I think this building is new. It's like massive. I'm not sure, so let me know if this one's new. But there's also these like radars over here, and it's like saying quack to like help you find the ducks. And then there's one more thing. Well, there's probably more, but it's something I found is, look, there's like duckies in the pool, and I think it's adorable. If there's anything else that I missed, please tell me so I can go check it out. Okay, well, that was it. Bye, and see you later.